later we're gonna go snorkeling out there. Hopefully not get bashed against some rocks, but that should be interesting. Over there, we went and dived the Liberty wreck. That was really cool. But it's the most, intense swimming I've done for a very long time. Treading water for like 2 hours, eh?
Yeah.
It's quite a lot. Thankfully it's seawater and it's a lot easier to float and be buoyant. Buoyant, get it? Yeah. I think we're gonna sit here and enjoy a beverage and just chill for a bit. I did the entire length of the ship all by myself. It was terrifying at times, but really cool. Just kind of creepy being by yourself underwater with things you can't really see, but really cool.
Hey, you.
Hey.
Here's a pretty cool spot.
Yeah. So it's our last dinner here.
And we got peanuts.
We got some peanuts.
That's the whole dinner.
And beer. Don't forget the beer. It's part of a balanced dinner.
That's all you need.
No, we got real food.
Fries and soup.
I'm gonna miss having rice every day.
We could just make rice more often.
Yeah, we should. Deal. So we both got traditional sort of Indonesian soups. I got a fish one with, it's got cucumber and tomato, fish, hot peppers, kind of like a coconutty broth. What's yours about?
It's fish meatballs.
Fish meatballs, yeah.
Yeah, and it's very much similar to like a Thai curry sort of taste. The broth. Yeah.
Coconutty and stuff?
Yeah, very coconutty.
Yeah. Awesome. We should try some of that.
Tomorrow.
What up, Internet?
We're about to go on, I think, probably our last snorkel adventure.
Yeah, get prepared for some more of that footage.
Yeah, we're not bored of it already.
I'm sure you'll find a very entertaining way to intersperse it.
Yeah, it's putting a lot of faith in my editing skills.
You gotta have. So this trip is the first time I've snorkeled in the ocean, which I think we've probably expressed. But I gotta say, I finally get what all those aquariums are going for.
Sorry. You made me fill up my snorkel with steam.
Oh, that's what they're trying to do.
Oh look, there's a scuba diver. Hey, there's a shipwreck. Hey, there's a scuba diver. I feel like a goldfish.
Yeah. He's having so much trouble swimming back. I'm sure there's a clip of me whining about it yesterday, but I think maybe we figured it out.
We'll probably do it.
I'm a good swimmer.
You're a weak swimmer, but at least you're a good floater.
Yeah. I was embarrassed yesterday, but like for this, I'm completely okay. I'm your wheelbarrow backpack. Take me to safety.
Don't get your head stuck in the water.